Hello, welcome to News of China. Today is Saturday, November the 4th. I'm your host, Lu Yang. This is ETV News right now. Let's start with a quick review of China net stocks performances. Search engine Baidu.com lost 0.5% to $86.68, while Sohu.com rose 2.2% to $22.96. Online recruiting agency 51 Job Inc. gained 2.5% to $13.58. Shares of Sina Corp rose 6.4% to $28.41 after the company reported late Thursday third quarter net earnings of $10.7 million or 19 cents a share, compared with $9.1 million or 16 cents a share in the prior year, on the back of higher advertising revenue. The company sees fourth quarter revenue of $53 to $56 million, with advertising revenue between $34 and $35 million and non-advertising revenue between $19 and $21 million. China Netcom will start in December the AVS external network trial for IPTV in the northeastern port city of Dalian. Gao Wen, leader of the AVS Work Group of China, said at the Third International Forum of Digital TV and Wireless Multimedia Communication, by the end of November, the preparation for the AVS external network trial should be completed, which includes the preparation of signal sources, encoders, set-top boxes, and the overall system. Starting from December the 1st, China Netcom will launch the trial in Dalian under the directive of the Ministry of Information Industry. China Netcom currently has approximately 15 million broadband subscribers. The operator plans to convert 40 to 50% of its broadband subscriber base to IPTV users in 5 to 7 years. Billionaires Li Ka-shing and Saudi Prince Abdulaziz bin Talal plan to buy stakes in China's top builder, China Communications Construction Group, ahead of its $2 billion to $3 billion IPO, sources close to the deal said on Friday. The state-run company aims to be the second to list simultaneously in Hong Kong and Shanghai, but sources said it may list first in Hong Kong and later in mainland China because of technical issues involved in its domestic initial public offering. The list of strategic investors is not finalized yet, a banking source said. It's very likely to be three. ChongQing Infrastructure and Prince Abdulaziz have a high possibility of getting a stake. China Communications Construction is expected to make a final decision on its dual listing plan within the next few days. China's largest hotel group, Jinjiang Hotels International Group, will list on the Hong Kong Exchange in the near future, a company official confirmed yesterday. The company's spokeswoman Liu Lian confirmed the previous reports in the Chinese press that the company has an initial public offering listing plan in Hong Kong, but she did not disclose any details. However, Chinese media reported the company is expected to list in Hong Kong as early as March 2007. By the end of April 2006, Jinjiang Group managed or invested in 220 hotels with a total 45,000 rooms in 25 provinces and 59 cities in China, which includes 11 five-star hotels. The U.S. magazine Hotels ranked Jinjiang Group 22nd among the top 300 hotel management groups worldwide in 2006 and number one in Asia. Rafael Nadal, the senior VP of Toronto Stock Exchange, will lead the latest trip to China from November 6 to 20. Nadal will hold a series of meetings and seminars across China with the aim of raising awareness of Canada's capital markets and attracting international listings. He will also be a speaker at the China Mining Conference. This trip, which will focus on Beijing, Chengdu, and Shanghai, will showcase the strength of Canada's capital markets among Chinese companies. TSX representatives will meet with Chinese advisors and intermediaries who help service Chinese companies seeking access to Canadian capital markets. Currently, there are 18 Chinese-related listings on TSX and another 34 Chinese-related listings on TSX Venture Exchange. China's central bank said yesterday it will require commercial banks to put more money into their reserves, marking the third reserve increase in 5 months to curb excessive liquidity. The People's Bank of China said on its website that the reserve ratio, the amount of money a bank must keep on hand, will increase a 0.5 percentage point to 9% starting November 15th. The increase follows 2 other 0.5 percentage point increases on August 15th and July 5th. The central bank said China is still facing excess liquidity amid its international payment surplus. Through its previous monetary measures to curb liquidity have borne fruit. The central bank decided to raise the reserve ratio to maintain its achievements made with previous measures. The central bank will support direct financing, such as companies seeking money through listings, and keep a stable credit growth. This is the news today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.